Hi, this is a quick walkthrough teach of my dance survivors. It goes to Jeremy Camp's No Survivors, or if we start with the scissor steps, it goes really well to Jelly Rolls Need a Favor, either one. You can probably find other dances it goes to as well. Starting with our weight on our left foot, we begin with a cross rock side hold, cross rock, side hold, pivot, turn, step, hold, pivot, turn, step, hold, scissor step, hold, scissor step, hold, scissor step, behind side touch. And then we're ready to start over again after a hold on 8. So let's do that with counts. Starting with those cross rock holds, it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. No tags, no restarts. It's survivors.